Hi, my name is Vignesh and I'm an actor, theatre maker and educator based here in Singapore, and I'm one of the faculty here at HCAC Kids. Here at HCAC Kids, we have two areas that we're going to be focusing on. The first area is obviously your performance related skills, your acting and your confidence building and all that. And the second area is when we are trying to instill in the young performers a consciousness and awareness, and to train the empathy for what's going on in the outside world. So we are trying to develop the bodies and the voices and the minds so that we can reach the ceiling of our imagination. I think one of the key takeaways for the young learners and performers is that this sense of awareness that will be developed. Firstly, an internal awareness of their voice, their bodies, and their minds. What sort of habits do they subscribe to? What sort of logics? Which areas are they afraid to jump into, And I find that because of the structure and how we've organized it, we do it in a very fun way that challenges them creatively, challenges them in terms of working as a group, devising a performance, and personally I am quite excited about this workshop. With all that's going on in the world right now, I think an art education is almost essential. I do not believe there is a better time for an arts education except now. So come down to HCAC and free your talent.